today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your slides vertical in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a class project, a business presentation, or a creative showcase, switching your slide orientation can give your visuals a fresh perspective and make your content stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your slides to a portrait layout and use this setting effectively in your presentations. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation you want to work on, go ahead and open that file. Otherwise, start a new presentation to experiment with these settings. Once your presentation is open, head over to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the tools you need to enhance the overall look of your slides, including the option to change the orientation. Inside the Design tab, locate the Slide Size button on the toolbar. This is the key feature that allows you to adjust your slide dimensions. Click on Slide Size and choose Custom Slide Size from the menu. A dialog box will appear presenting you with several options for customizing your slides. Look for the orientation section within this dialog. By default, PowerPoint slides are set to landscape, which is when it is tall. To make your slides vertical, select Portrait under the orientation options. This will stack your content vertically, giving your slides a tall, magazine-like layout that can be especially effective for infographics, mobile app prototypes, or any visuals where height is more impactful than width. After selecting Portrait, click OK to apply the changes. Depending on your slide's content, PowerPoint may display a prompt asking how you'd like to handle existing elements. You can choose to have PowerPoint automatically scale and fit the content, or you can manually adjust each slide to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Either option works, but taking a moment to review your slides can help maintain a clean and professional appearance. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully switched your slides to vertical orientation. This technique is easy to apply and can make a noticeable difference in how your audience engages with your presentation. Don't hesitate to experiment with vertical slides to see how they enhance your visuals and storytelling. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks to make your presentations look professional and polished every time. Happy presenting!